Hey everyone, it's Fiktxun Crypto back at it again with another video. Today we are going to be going over steadies. Also, it has two projects up under its umbrella. It's called the EA ecosystem that stands for Elysianers and Athenians. If I'm saying that correctly, sorry for me laughing super loud in your ear, but sometimes I'll be chopping these names up, and I don't like to do that. So if I am pronouncing that incorrectly, somebody spell it out in a way in the comments to where I can say it correctly. So we have some airdrop information on how to bind your Songbird wallets or MetaMask wallets to get this airdrop. Even if you have a BIFROST wallet as well, that's the one we're going to show you how to do. We're actually going to show you both of them. And then we have a couple of other updates. Also, we will be going over the chart just to see what is going on. Right now, the XRP Ledger token market is just heating up. It's great. It's great. So let's get straight into this one. If you haven't, give us a follow. We have 1,700 followers. If you want to keep up with some information and news, we're dropping things about Flare, Songbird, XRPL, Solo, Core, bunch of good projects. Now, if you want to keep up with this project that we're talking about today, this is a Steadies. It is the first NFT marketplace on the XRP Ledger. It was awarded an XRPL grant to continue building on further and further. And one thing I like about this is that this is just not like a basic marketplace. This is a fine arts marketplace. So when I look at aesthetics, this is something like a long term play with art. So we see these companies that buy these pieces of art, which studies have actually brought some pretty expensive pieces of art already. This is what I see for this project in the future, or one of the directions. And this is not financial advice. This is not what they're doing. This is just my opinion. I believe one day we will be able to purchase bits and pieces of artwork that are fractionalized that are worth upwards of 2, 3, 4 million, hopefully 20, 100 million dollars, whatever, and own those pieces of artwork in a fractionalized way and put that in our investment portfolio. So I do see aesthetics as something that is like the sophisticated marketplace for NFTs, and you need that as well. You really do need that as well in these markets. So let's go over these tweets from Aesthetics right here. This was when they were in the XRPL Apex, and this is like a developers summit that they hold every year. This year it was in Las Vegas, and I believe it was like on the 5th or the 6th of this month. And it was a really cool event. I seen a lot of highlights from it. David Schwartz was down there. A lot of prominent figures from the XRP community, a lot of developers from other communities as well. And they say when we say artists, we mean artists. This was right here. It kind of is going to echo if I play it. So I'll recap what he said. It's like, this is not about monkey pictures and, all of that type of stuff. Dog pictures and random JPEG stuff that you can find on the internet or generated type of art. This is about real artwork. And I mean, this is what I'm looking for in a project. I'm not really looking for like those regular NFTs anymore. I'm looking for real, sustainable, real long-term plays when it comes to art. I want to be able to purchase some of that expensive art in a fractionalized way. So this is why I am personally investing into aesthetics with the belief that they will be able to do a bunch of what they say in their white paper. So this is a tweet from Athenians, and this is actually their page right here. This is a part of the EA ecosystem. If you do want to follow them, they have 16.3 thousand followers. All of these will be in the link in the description. And um, a tweet from Elysianers right here. Actually, I thought we had a tweet from Athenians. Since lots of people were not able to bind their addresses due to the extreme weather conditions that happened around the world in the last weeks, in order to give all people a chance, the deadline has been postponed to 10/15/2022, which is in 2 days. So you do have about 48 hours left in order to bind your wallet. Now we're going to switch over to the video that shows you how to bind your wallet.
How to set up the Athena token address with your bounded BIFROST or MetaMask wallet. Open your BIFROST wallet and insert your PIN code. Click on the rounded button on the bottom of the screen. Select Receive. Now search for Custom and click Add Custom Token. Select Songbird Network. Paste the Athena contract address that you will find in the description of this video. Press Continue. Now you can press Add Custom Token. The operation is complete. If you want to verify that you have properly set up the Athena token address, you can open your BIFROST wallet and insert your PIN code. Click on the rounded button, select Receive. If you find Athena, it means the procedure has been successful. Open the web browser on your PC and go to chainlist.org. Be sure to have the MetaMask extension or your web browser with your bounded address in order to properly set up the Athena token ID and receive your Athena airdrop. On Chainlist's website, search for SGB or Songbird. Click on Connect Wallet and then Add to MetaMask. Automatically, the MetaMask extension will open itself. Select Approve, then select Switch Network. Now, click on your MetaMask extension. Click on Import Tokens. Paste the Athena contract address that you will find in the description of this video. Paste it in the token contract address field. The other fields will automatically insert the correct information, like the token symbol of Athena. Click on Add Custom Token. Now, click on Import Tokens. Now, if you find the Athena token inside your MetaMask wallet, it means that the procedure has been successful.
And that was the video right there to show you how to bind your Songbird wallet and or MetaMask wallet in a very short way. This was actually the official video from Aesthetes, the team, Athenians, Elysianers. Shout out to them. I did use their video tutorial in this one. We also will have the token address in our description. Well, I don't want to put that in my description. I will put the link to this particular tweet right here in our bio, or not bio, description below this video. So it says, in order to receive this ATH airdrop, you have to set up the following token address in your binded BIFROST or MetaMask wallet. And it gives you that right here. Now, last but not least, pay attention to the scammers. People are sending out fragments of tokens in order to try to get you into their own ecosystems. Like you see, This is one that is dropping 0.00001 core, and it's just saying, hey, we got a 50,000 plus airdrop. Boom, and it shows you a tag or something like that. Don't mind these people. It is free crypto, but a lot of people don't have a problem giving away a bunch of small pieces of crypto to 4 million people. Like, this is not even going to, if you give away this much crypto or this little bit of crypto to 4 million XRP wallets, it's not going to be a whole lot of crypto. And they're trying to get people with this large amount of XRP. So, yeah, don't get ripped off. Now, let's go into the charts and show you all a little bit of what I believe we're going to see in this market. So we're going to go over this chart real quick, and I'm going to try to make this as simple as possible because some of the techniques I use when I trade is a little bit, I would say, kind of advanced. Um, and I just don't want to make this sound more difficult than what it needs to be. But it's certain price points that the market hits where liquidity providers create things called order blocks. Now, order block is basically an accumulation phase where a bunch of orders for a buy or a sell are going to happen in either direction. Some are positive, some are negative. So you see on my 1 week chart, which I actually marked this on a 30-minute chart, and this is what it looks like on a 1 week chart when I zoomed out. And it's very interesting because I have them on the wicks and I didn't even mark it on this chart. I marked it on a 30-minute chart. So you see this wick right here, boom, this created our order block for the downward trend to where it's supposed to come. So a lot of people would say, okay, this may have been the last move down, but it wasn't. And a lot of people would say this has been the last move down because they've seen this upward progression, and we kind of broke out of this doji candle and this price point right here. But we did get stopped. If I break this down on a 30-minute chart, which you will see, we did get stopped by another level somewhere over there somewhere. So what happened with this is retail traders they buy this right here for the upwards move, the uptrend move. But market makers know that they can fake out retail traders, and they aggressively continue the trend down until we get to our order block again. And now you see that we have a doji right above the order block. And this is something that I learned from a really prominent trader. Order blocks for the next move up or down are going to be created slightly above or slightly below where this original wick down to an order block is created. And you see this perfectly on this 6 hour chart right above this order block. And it's a doji. This is how I knew that we were going to start seeing some price appreciation. I did not expect this huge move so quickly. So now let's break this down to the 30-minute chart. And what you are seeing right now is two uptrend swings, violent swings. And when I say violent, these things really ripped. So this was like a 80% move, and it came back down to another, let's see, another 61% move. Now, we are at a point where we have created an order block on this side, which is kind of right here, and we are trading up under this order block. And we have a small order block to see if we are going to move upwards or downwards. What I'm expecting is, because of this huge move, we will slightly move lower, but this trend will continue. We may consolidate for a couple of days or two after this snapshot announcement. I think we're seeing a lot of hype because of the snapshot announcement. But if I was to say where we are going into the future, I am thinking that we are bullish on this EOS chart until it shows us otherwise. We have been moving downward, downward, downward for so long, but I still want to wait to get outside of this range to confirm that. If we do see some price appreciation come back into this and we start to see a really nice upwards trend created out of this order block, and wherever this closes, I will remain bullish. Now, a lot of people want to see some price predictions of where we may potentially go. And so Logenic is loading very slow. So let's see if we'll get a 12-hour chart. And we can put a Fibonacci on this real quick from our last high, which is this doji. This is where I kind of started my trade analysis from in the first place. So we're going to wick this down into our order block right here. And if we're looking for the 618, we've already hit the 618. We've already hit the 7.86 or the 786. Now a zero would be at 0.03. And if we were looking at a 168, which is at the top of this trend, which we need a breakthrough to remain super bullish, it will be at 0.43. I'm not going to go too much higher than these prices right here because I mean it would kind of be ridiculous to be like it's going to go to 1 XRP per ELS, which is not going to happen anytime soon yet. But we are seeing some good signs of life in the XRP community in these charts. So hopefully everyone is able to understand this and it wasn't too drawn out. You let me know what you think about this, and are you participating in the airdrop? Drop a comment below. Thank you all for watching this video. I'm going to keep uploading, and I'm out. Peace.